Good morning, everybody. Alright, I got some new deals going on today. I believe previously we spoke about some power supplies. Roughly around the first video we had around 7,500. Now we got 10,000 power supplies. They're all ready to go, bagged, obviously in half gaylords as you can see. So we're going to double stack these, give you weights and dims, wait for the wire to hit, and once it does, these AC adapters will be headed your way. Alright everybody, the next thing I want to show y'all is docking stations / port replicators. I have Dell, Lenovo, HP docking stations and port replicators, all styles. I get the originals that are for the Latitude lines, and I get the newer styles that, take USB-C, so on and so forth. I also carry digital cameras. I have a whole half gaylord full of Canon digital PowerShot cameras. I probably have around 100 of these, all with the cables and a case for the ones that do come with a case. Some of them don't have a case, as you can see, but all tested and ready to go. No batteries and no memory cards on the cameras. And as for the port replicator / docking stations, there are no power supplies. Those are going to be an additional charge.